Once upon a time in a lush green forest, there lived a little sparrow named Sammy. Sammy had a cozy nest high up in a tall oak tree. Every morning, Sammy woke up to the gentle rustling of leaves and the soothing melodies of other birds. Life was peaceful in the forest, and Sammy loved nothing more than soaring through the skies and exploring the world around. One sunny morning, while Sammy was perched on a branch, a group of colorful butterflies fluttered by. Sammy was fascinated by their vibrant wings and wanted to know where they were headed. Fueled by curiosity, Sammy decided to follow the butterflies, leaving behind the safety of the familiar oak tree. As Sammy followed the butterflies deeper into the forest, the surroundings grew unfamiliar. Tall trees blocked out the sun, casting eerie shadows on the forest floor. Sammy realized that he had flown too far and was now lost. Panicking, Sammy didn't know which way to go. Just as Sammy was about to give up hope, a wise old owl named Oliver appeared. Oliver had lived in the forest for many years and was known for his knowledge. He reassured Sammy and offered to guide him back home. Oliver taught Sammy how to use the position of the sun to find his way during the day. As the sun began to set, Sammy felt a little worried again. But Oliver had another idea. He explained that the stars could also guide them at night. Sammy and Oliver embarked on a magical journey through the night sky, following the patterns of stars until they recognized familiar landmarks. Finally, as the first rays of dawn painted the horizon, Sammy and Oliver reached the outskirts of the familiar forest. Sammy's heart filled with joy as he recognized a familiar tree. He thanked Oliver for his guidance and wisdom, promising to never venture too far from his nest again. Back in his cozy nest, Sammy felt a deep sense of gratitude for the adventure that had taught him valuable lessons. He realized that while exploring was fun, his home was the safest and most comforting place. From that day on, Sammy was content with the wonders of his own forest and cherished his adventures in a different way. Sammy often shared his adventure with his fellow sparrows, reminding them of the importance of staying close to home and seeking help when needed. His story became a favorite among the young sparrows, and the forest echoed with the tales of little Sammy's grand adventure. And so, the little sparrow's adventure became a timeless tale of curiosity, guidance, and the value of home. Thanks for watching. For more adventures videos, subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoon for Kids. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.